Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Advanced Generative Techniques. Style Transfer and Image Inpainting. Imagine you have a photo of a boring gray cat. Style transfer is like taking the artistic style of a famous painting, like Van Gogh's Starry Night, and applying it to your cat photo. The cat stays the same, but it looks like it was painted by Van Gogh. We'll use AI to do this by teaching a computer to understand and separate content and style in images. Think of it like a recipe. The AI has two ingredients: the cat photo, content, and the Van Gogh painting, style. It mixes them using complex mathematical formulas. Our recipe: to create a new image, the Van Gogh style cat. It's like having two layers, content and style, that the AI blends together. We'll use a pre-trained AI model, like a ready-made recipe. In code, it would look something like result equals style underscore transfer underscore model, cat underscore image, Van underscore Gogh underscore image. We provide the input images, and the model does the magic. Imagine you have a photo with a scratch or a missing piece. Image inpainting is like a magical paintbrush that fills in the missing parts, making it look seamless. The AI learns from the surrounding parts of the image to intelligently guess what should be there. The AI looks at the pixels around the missing part and figures out what kind of pattern or texture should be there. It's like solving a puzzle, using the existing pieces to guess the missing ones. It uses clever algorithms to fill in the blanks in a natural way. Similar to style transfer, we use a pre-trained model. Fixed underscore image equals inpainting underscore model, damaged underscore image, mask. We give it the damaged image and a mask, showing the missing area, and it fills it in. Style transfer and inpainting are used in many cool applications: restoring old photos, creating art, enhancing images, and even in video games. We'll explore some examples to see these techniques in action. We'll briefly discuss Python libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch that make it easy to work with these powerful AI models. No need to build everything from scratch. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.